Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, substitute teacher. Today I shall discuss some more problem in the exercise number 3.3. This is my lecture number 29 for class 11 maths. In last class I have discussed about some problem which are most important for the examination point of view. In the exercise number 3.3. Now today I shall also discuss some more important problem. This is a question number 12. This question number 12. Prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x sin 10x. Now LHS sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Now it is a identity a square minus b square identity. We know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So in this way, this is also a square minus b square. This is sin 6x plus sin 4x, sin 6x minus sin 4x. Now we have to apply the formula. We have got last class sin a plus sin b. We have got already, that is sin a plus sin b. We have got this is 2 sin a plus b, that is 6x plus 4x divided by 2. Next, cos a minus b by 2. This is the formula. A minus b. Here a is 6x minus 4x by 2. This is also sin a minus sin b formula. We have got already. This is sin a minus sin b. This is sin 6x minus sin 4x. This is 2 cos a plus b. This is 6x plus 4x by 2, and sin 6x minus 4x by 2. Now we have to simplify it. 6x plus 4x, 10x divided by 2. This is 5x. 6x minus 4x divided by 2, 2x. 2x by 2. This is cos x. This is 2 cos 6x plus 4x divided by 2. It is 5x. Sin 6x minus 4x, 2x by 2. This is x. Now we combine with sin 5x with cos 5x, and sin x with cos x. Combine with in this way. If we do sin x cos x, we combine it this and this, and remaining 2 sin 5x, and cos 5x. We here is just combine x and x with x and 5x with 5x. Now what is this formula? We have got already sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Therefore we can write this as sin 2x. It is, if it is 5x, if x becomes 5x sin 5x, 2 sin 5x, that it is when if here is x, then here is double of x. Therefore, this is 10x. Therefore, sine 10x means 2 sine 5x plus 2 sine 5x into cos 5x. Therefore, 2 sine 5x cos 5x we write sine 10x here. From this we have got this. This is the problem. Next problem. This is question number 13, which is same as this problem. Students are advised to do the problem individually. Just I have given here just some hints. This is 4 cos square x. This is sine 4x and sine 4x sine 8x. This is sine 8x. Here also we convert cos square 6x sine square is 4x. That is cos 6x plus sine. This is cos square. This is cos square. So cos 6x plus cos 4x, cos 6x minus, and we can apply the formula cos x cos a minus cos b and cos a plus cos b, and easily we can solve it. Next, question number 14 I have discussed. This is sine 2x 2 sine 4x sine 6x is equal to 4 cos square x sine 4x. LHS. This can be solved easily. Thus, we combine sine 2x and sine 6x here at first. Sine 2x plus sine 3x. This is 2 sine 4x remaining. Here we apply the formula sine a plus sine a. Sine a plus sine b. What is sine a plus sine b? It is 2 sine a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. So 2 sine, formula is a plus b. Here a is twice x, b is 6x, twice x plus 6x by 2 cos twice x minus 6x by 2. This will remain same. Now 2 sine 2x plus 6x, this is 8x. 8x by 2, this is 4x. Cos 2x minus 6x, this is minus 4x divided by 2, therefore minus 2x. It is 2 sine 4x. Now this is minus, cos minus 2x means cos 2x. Since cos x is and see here I can write 2 sine 4x. It can be written as cos 2x only, because cos minus 2x is cos 2x. Since cos minus 2x is equal to cos 2x. This is 2 sine 4x. Now we take common sine 4x here, 2 sine 4x here also 2 sine 4x. Therefore 2 sine 4x we can take common. Therefore cos 2x plus 1. This is 2 sine 4x. We know the formula for cos 2x. It is that what is cos 2x? Cos 2x is, it can be written cos term, it can be written as sine term, but we have to solve it with in cos term because the result is in cos term. Therefore 2 cos square, this is 2 cos square x minus 1. This is the cos 2x means 2 cos square x minus 1. Therefore here we write cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This plus 1 will remain same. From this 2 sin 4x minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 2 cos square x. Here 2 4 cos square x and sin x 4x, which is the RHS. Therefore it is the proof of question number 14. Now I shall discuss question number 16 here. This is question number 16. Question number 16. And this is given as proof cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x, RSS is minus sin twice x divided by cos 10x. So from LHS we start. This is here cos 9x. We have got the formula as cos A minus cos B. We have to remind it, cos A minus cos B. This is 2 sin a minus. This is minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Here 9x will be considered as A and 5x will be considered as B. Therefore it is minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x by 2 sin 9x minus 5x by 2 in this way. In the denominator there is sin x minus sin 17x minus sin A. It is also sin A formula, sin A minus sin B. This is sin A minus sin B. We have got already, this is 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Therefore here also this is A, if we consider it A, and this is B. There is 2 cos 17x plus 3x by 2 sin 17x minus 3x by 2. Therefore we can cancel 2 and 2. This is minus sin 9x plus 5x. This is 14x divided by 2. This is 7x. 9x minus 5x, 4x divided by 2. This is sin 2x. Cos 17x plus 3x. 17x plus 3x, this is 20x. 20x divided by 2, this is 10x. And 17x minus 3x, 14x divided by 2, this is sin 7x. Therefore we can cut sin 7x and remain is sin 2x divided by cos 10x. With the help of the formula, this and this can be easily solved. Next I shall solve question number as a similar question number 17, 18 and another similar. Although students are advised to do the problem themselves. Next problem I shall discuss question number 20. This is also most important from the examination point of view. Prove sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x, that is 2 sin x. LHS here also we can apply formula sin x minus sin a minus sin b. This is we can write it as formula sin a minus sin b, 2 cos x plus 3x by 2 sin x minus 3x by 2. But we cannot apply in this way the formula similar type. We have to apply other formula here, because we know cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. We have got already. This can be cos 2x means. If we write here minus cos x, then it will be minus cos square x plus sin square x. That is, if sin square x minus cos square. Therefore, we can write sin square x minus cos square x as minus cos twice x. This is minus cos twice x. This is the reason why we have write sin square x minus cos square x minus cos twice x. This is cos twice x equal to cos square minus sin square. If we write sin square minus cos square, then minus sign will come here. Next, 2 cos x plus 3x, this is 4x. 4x divided by 2, that is 2x. Sin x minus 3x minus 2x, this is minus x. Cos 2x. Now cos 2x, we can write sin minus x as minus sin x. We can write, because since sin x is an odd function, therefore sin minus x is equal to minus sin x. This is the reason. Therefore, sin minus x we have to write within the bracket minus sin x as cos 2x. Now cos 2x, this minus and this minus will be plus, therefore 2 sin x. This is RHS. This is the problem, all about the problem. Next class I shall discuss some other problem which is in the exercise number 3.3. These are also most important for the examination. So for today I have finished it.